Hi, good afternoon. Chris from Speed Superbikes once again. This afternoon I have a KTM 1290 Super Adventure to show you. What a piece of kit this is. It's a 2019 motorcycle. It's done just over 15,000 miles. It's in very, very nice condition. Has its usual attributes like the white power suspension. It does have some things that I think might be extras, and I'll point them out, but if they're not, you may well know better than me, like the engine bars. I'm not sure if that comes as standard on a Super A or not. It's in the orange. It does have the electronic suspension. It's very tidy indeed, no rips or tears in the seats. It does have an aluminium top box. It does have a Leo Vinci can with a carbon shield. Very clean, very tidy. It's a two-owner bike, which probably explains why it's so clean and tidy. We do have the service book. We do have a spare key. It's got quite a long MOT on it. It doesn't run out until September 26. It was last serviced February of this year at 14,990 miles. So it's barely done 10 miles since it was serviced. Just a nice, clean, tidy Super Adventure. Anybody that rides these bikes knows what they're capable of and how good they are. They do have a huge following. So, there we have 15,001 miles. I don't know if the additional tinted fly screen is standard. It does have heated grips, it does have heated seats, so it's a nicely spec'd bike. So there you have it, 2019 KTM 1290 Super Adventure, in the only colour a KTM should come in really. It's got some nice extras, especially the Leo Vinci pipe. 15,000 miles, two owners. So, as per most of our videos, if myself or any of the team at Speed Superbikes can help you further with this bike, please do give us a call on 01392 211 246. And as always, all of our bikes are on YouTube, so please visit our YouTube channel and have a look. And anything you like, please hit like and share. Thank you very much.